Hi, welcome to day 27 of 30 days of AI in testing challenge. And my today's challenge is on assessing teams' readiness to adopt AI assisted testing. So this challenge is basically about what should team members learn or follow a roadmap to really adopt and work efficiently and effectively using AI in testing. Now, this is a fantastic challenge for this day 27 because we have been learning a lot of AI in day 26. Thank you to the Ministry of Testing for that. And I feel the topics that they've covered is the groundwork and the build up of a perfect roadmap that people need to do in order to really learn AI in testing and really adopt it. So what I'll do, I'll quickly navigate you through the topics, through the areas that people need to learn if they want to go for AI in software testing. So firstly, understanding the fundamentals very important. I mean, what is AI? Why it's so invaluable? What is the hype? And what are the advantages it offers? What are the challenges it has? And what are some tips and tricks of this topic? So having and getting familiarity with that, then how can AI be used in testing? So I mean, what are the core testing challenges? What are the opportunities for using AI? The AI tools, usage of AI in testing, and all those aspects very important. Then like really going ahead and listening to experts. So that's where attending conferences, webinars is important. So listening to some experts on AI, what is their wisdom? If you have some doubts, some pre-thought conceived notions, asking them out, reaching out to experts, listening to them is a key aspect that I would recommend. And then learning about these LLM syndromes, the analysis of the answers that LLMs produce, what are areas where it works okay and decently, and followed by getting the team members started on adopting and trying out basic AI testing tools. So I don't want to like bombard them with infinite use cases, but getting people to try out small tools, seeing how AI is helping, and getting them a feel of AI, followed by prompt engineering, which is another core and crucial skill of today's time. Like what does a prompt contain? What are the tips to craft a good prompt? Or different prompting techniques? How can you use it for some certain application for testing? How do you develop prompts for like beginner level task, intermediate level task, advanced tasks? Now, after learning all of this, I mean, also talking about the risks, because like as technology professionals, we have to know that the power of the things that we are playing with and what are the risks that this power comes with. So what are the issues, what are the biases, issues, ethical dilemmas, regulatory challenges, and security risks that can happen. So talking about all of that, and then if somebody want to really incorporate AI in testing, then how can they start it in day-to-day testing activities? Some high-value AI tasks. What are those that team could study? And how do you use AI for accessibility testing? And how it helps? What is the importance and limitations and different tools? What is the benefits of getting them to try out? And then talking about like concerns, frustrations, issues with AI, because as engineers, as test engineers, as team members, we might have to educate our customers, our stakeholders about LLM syndromes, about issues, because a lot of people may believe that AI is a magic wand, which it is not. So getting people to talk about reality and I mean what is the hype cycle, and then talking about all those aspects is important, and learning about them is important. And how do you use AI for test prioritization? Should they be doing it? Self-healing, benefits of it, and then talking about like this testing manifesto, where like really after you learn all of these AI topics, how do you use it responsibly? What are the principles that should be guiding your work? And like talking especially about topics like ethics, quality culture, collaborative synergy. So these are important. And then like if we as a team want to do it, then what all skills we have to develop, and what are the different areas where we have to develop skills? How do we share and divide our responsibilities? How do we use AI for niche areas like usability testing, visual testing? security testing, accessibility testing. So I've been talking about all these specific aspects, because now these are generic or specific, rather specific use cases where people would be able to use AI for their work. And at the end, talking also about the carbon footprint. I mean, some dark reality associated with AI, the hidden side of AI, what are the possible solutions, being aware about the environmental consequences that AI can bring in. So that's a end-to-end roadmap that I want to give to anybody who wants to learn to incorporate AI in testing. Now, at the same time, I know that, I mean, learning all of these things takes time. I mean, I've put in like daily 3 to 4 hours, 5 hours to learn each of these topic for last 27 days, and that's why I make these video blogs. So there is this complete playlist of AI in testing that you can watch, and that will help you learn all of these concepts. You can like just check the concept, whatever you want to understand first, and watch that video. So that's all from my side. Thank you for watching the video of day 27. See you tomorrow on day 28. Bye.